Okay, so the pipe's come out, the lid's gone on to stop anything else from dropping in. I'm now running the water out of the kettle here, all the way around through the pump, up through the outlet, down through the pump, up, around through the CFC, the Counterflow Chiller. I've turned the water off now because the temperature's got to what I'm going to get it to in the kettle. So it's literally just pumping cooled water through now, so I'm just going to leave that without any more cooling water, so the rest of the heated water coming through will, you know, coefficient out. And the coefficient should be something around in the mid-20s, something like that, which is about the best I'm going to manage today. I've got cuvette yeast anyway, so, and I'm not fussed about the clarity of this beer because it's going to be hazy daisy, so it's absolutely fine. Happy stuff. You can see the colour coming out is a nice orangey colour. Some aeration in here.